So it's been a while since I did an update on Forex Trendy, simply time. But here we are inside the members area. And as usual, I'm going to show the completed patterns, which is great because it helps you as a member test out how good Forex Trendy really is. And obviously, if you look down here at the weekly charts, now I only have on 4-hour, daily, and weekly. Patterns are a lot more reliable when you're looking at the higher time frames as opposed to a 5-minute. Even though 5 minutes will work, it's a lot of work for a smaller amount of money. With these charts here, you're not glued to your computer. And everyone says they want to get into trading, make more money, and work less, right? The problem is people end up working more, staring at their charts more. And if that's not what you want, then you want to look at the higher time frames. You can see all the weekly ones completed back in December of 2016. Our dailies were into 2017, and obviously the 4-hour as well. So let's take a look what we got here. Let's go back here. Pound Canadian dollar 4-hour chart. It was a falling wedge, and you can see it was a buy signal at 64.09 back on the 23rd, which is today. And you can see a big thrusting candle right here. Let's just bring up another chart here so we can see it a little bit better. Pound CAD. And we'll go down to the 4-hour chart. Let me just get rid of this stuff here. So we're looking at an entry at 6409, which is right here. 6407. You can see already right now it's 64.45. So if this is a trade that you looked at taking, you'd be in profits right now on the pound CAD. And obviously we have our targets here. 6626 is the first target, which is up around in through here. 66. Let me just get it here for you. That's a big target. Up and through here. So obviously just going for the highs up here. Okay. Looking at gold on the 4-hour chart, it was a buy signal again at 1243.20. And again, you can see that the price has gone strongly in your favor. And here's our targets here. And it had another buy signal. This is a triangle, another triangle, which is quite interesting. Right here. Okay. Same, it's just same thing. Right? Let's go to the New Zealand dollar against the US dollar. Falling wedge. Let's take a look. Where'd it go? There it is. So we were looking for a buy signal at 72.76, and this happened back on beginning of January. The ending of January. So you're around this area here. So it did break up at 72.76. You got almost 100 pips in profit before it collapsed back down. So winning trade, and you can see the ones that we've already checked out on the 4-hour chart are all winning trades so far. Aussie, CHF. It was a buy signal, and you can see this one just lit up and flew to the upside. On the 19th, which is in here, 75.84, and we're way up here now at 7,800. Massive, massive trade. Again, daily chart, right? Less work, more potential. 76.64 was what we're looking at. Already hit target 1. Target 2 was already hit. And we're waiting for target 3. So this trade here, nice trade. We had a flag. US dollar NOK. Sell 85.09 on the 17th of January. There's the 13th. So we're looking in this little congestion area here. And you can just see the price just plummeted. And the weeklies, we'll just take a look at the Euro US dollar. This was a sell signal. Euro US dollar has been ugly the last little while, and this is back in December. It's looking in here. So we're still just messing around the bottoms there. CAD yen was a buy signal, 85.49, and you can see that it did go up nicely to 89.02. Didn't hit first target, but clearly you want a money management. You can see right here, just looking at this chart, this pattern here is a flag. a bull flag after this big move up, consolidation. Be looking for another move up as well. And euro yen. Weekly chart was a buy signal at 119.10, which is right in here. You see we rallied up to 123.83 and change. Again, we didn't hit first target, but look what happened, right? We can consolidate here, a bit of a pullback here, and how this is going to play out, who knows. But again, if you're trading these trades, you want to make sure you're managing your trades too. You don't just put your trade on and just let her fly, right? When price is talking to you and it's telling you something different's going on, you want to take advantage of what the price is telling you and either take some profit, trail your stop up, something, okay? This is not like slapping on moving averages and letting those do all the talking for you. Here, you're looking at patterns, right? Little different ball game here. But you can see the ones I showed, all the ones that came up in the 4 hours, the dailies, and the weeklies. That's what I have it set for under settings. There wasn't a losing trade here. There could have been if you don't manage your trade, right? Depends how you manage it, right? That's what you want to be careful of, how you manage your trades. So that's pretty much it. And this is going to be a short video. We're at 6 minutes already on this video. Like I said, this is the only ones I'm going to look at because that's all I have in my settings. I don't like patterns on smaller time frames or tradable, but you know, I didn't get into trading myself to work more, right? And that's that. People talk about the trends. This is just telling you, it's measuring these, right? Just tells you what trend's going on. So obviously the US dollar 4-hour chart is going up. But remember, you can look at the hour, the Aussie US dollar weekly, and it could be going down, right? Everything is relative. So this is just measuring the drawdown. You can see it right here. Right here. They're just measuring this. So anything that goes back against you, 97.5 pips in this pair, if they're using this measurement here, if you're using this measurement, still legit. Just because a trade comes down 80 pips, it doesn't mean this trade is no good if you're in a trade on the Aussie US. Because this 97.5 pips going down is still a normal correction in this market at this time. It's called symmetry, something you might want to look up at. And again, you got the 5-minute chart. You know, it's 31 pips in the pullbacks, right? So basically, you could use this if you're trailing your stop up. Keep it below 31 pips from price. And that's about it. So, you know what? Sign up, check it out. Look at the patterns, look at the settings, you know, get all kinds of data going. Test it. See what you think.